We are standing here in Atlantaa Enclave project. Myself, Nandakumar Power, I am heading this project. This project has 3 buildings. One is G+1 story commercial structure, which is completed. OC we will take within this month. Another G+30 stories tower, which is CC. We have received our CC, and our first floor work is going on. And another big tower, third tower, which is A1, A2, whose plinth 80% plinth completed, and our peripheral retaining wall and other structures going on.